Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change max recording length when gaming on Windows 10 and Windows 11. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to change max recording length when gaming on Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, just go to the start icon and then right click. After that, click settings and then click on gaming. After that, captures, and then just scroll down and you see here record this maximum recording length. Just click on it and then choose maximum length. I have 2 hours, then just select 4 hours. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to change max recording length when gaming on Windows 10 and Windows 11. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.